Hey guys, this is Mrs. Carr, and today is Wednesday, May 6th, and I'm here for your rundown in math. So today we're switching it up a little bit. Today we are multiplying and dividing with whole numbers and unit fractions. So we did do this at school, well, all this stuff we did at school. So hopefully some of this will ring a bell for you. So the very first thing that you're going to do is you have several videos that you're going to want to watch. So you have here this video. You also have this video. Both of those. Here's a video, and then here's a video. They're all different videos. So you definitely want to make sure you watch that. Don't forget when you log on, you're gonna click on that sign in as a guest, and I'll show you in case you haven't seen the previous videos. So down here, you might have to scroll up a little bit. So sign in as a guest, and then you'll just put your first initial. You don't need to put a full name, and then sign in as guest, and you can watch that video there. Okay. So here is your videos. The other thing I want you to do is make sure you utilize the anchor charts. There's going to be some anchor charts posted here. And oh, sorry, I did that yesterday. This is today's Wednesday. Open up the anchor charts that are going to be posted here for you. So please make sure you utilize those, that tool as well as you're going through your work. All right, guys. So your two options is Think Central, or you can do this option here. And if you're going to do Think Central, you are going to have to go click on this and then log. It's going to cause you to, you're going to have to log in. You'll put your your S number and password, #5th. And then you come back. After you've done that, then you're going to come back and you click on this link. I really like this one because, yes, it's 10 problems total. Okay, so not too bad, especially because you're only multiplying and dividing. But I really like this one because you have multiple tools to help you. So you have this view example tool, you have this step-by-step tool, you have the textbook, like it literally opens up and shows you step-by-step. Okay, so you have multiple options here to help you through your work. So I definitely like this one. At the end, guys, please make sure you are it's not a print. Once you log in, there should be a submit or turn in, something to allow you to do it. If not, then just take a picture of it and share your picture. Not a big deal. Okay. But I definitely like this one because of all the tools that are available to you while you're in there. This one is also fine. It just doesn't have those same tools right at your fingertips. You are going to need to make a copy of it first. So file, make a copy before doing so. And then you can complete these problems. And there's only 8 problems, which is only 2 less than this one. So not a huge difference, except it doesn't have the tools that can help you. So you definitely want to think about that. And then, of course, here's your answer key. All right, when you're done, you're going to go back into Schoology, and you're going to go ahead and post in your discussion post. Again, make sure that you're checking your email, your discussion post, for feedback from your teachers, either later in the evening or the next morning. You definitely want to make corrections to things that are needed to be corrected, okay? And then the last option, if you still have time or want more, then you're going to, you can click on this link. These are directions, but I don't think I would choose that. I would do this link right here. But you do need to do this. It says level 4, and level 6. So those are your two options. So when you click on it, here are the directions down here, and I would read these directions here, but definitely there you go. And then you just click on that. Most of you already especially have Adobe already. Just click allow and run or whatever. Okay, but here are the directions in case you need help on that. And that's it for that page. And then that's it for today. So please don't forget to utilize Teams. We're here for you guys. Whatever you need, chat with us, video with us, we're here. All right, guys, y'all take care. See you tomorrow.